of chapter number 2, that is electrostatic potential and capacitance. So illustration 2.4. Four charges arranged at the corners of the square ABCD of side B as shown in the figure. So you can see that here we are having a square named ABCD, right? And the side of the square is D. Find the work required to put together these arrangements. That means initially there is no charges at the corners of this square, right? We are having just this 4 points A, B, C and D, right? That makes the corners of the square. And the distance between the two corners is D. Now what we need to put the charges first. Plus Q charge at point A, minus Q charge at point B, plus Q charge at point C and minus Q charge at point D. So one by one we will be putting the charges at the corners of the square. So initially here you can see we need such type of arrangement as shown in figure A. As shown in this figure B, initially we are not having the charges. And what we need to find? We need to find the work done. First of all, we will be bringing charge plus Q at point A. Work done to bring plus Q at A, right? And we know work done, that is what? Let us denote it as W1. Work done to bring the plus Q charge over here, that is at point A. That is equals to, here we need to bring plus Q charge. So plus Q into potential at this point A, that is EA. Now we know that here initially there is no charge, right? So there will not be any electric field. So these potential at point A will be 0. So here the work done will be 0 because potential at point A due to some charge, that should be KQ upon R. Right? But here we are not having any charge, right? So potential will be 0 and thus work done will be 0. So W1 equals to 0. Right? So no work is to be done to bring the charge at this point A. So here the first charge is placed at point A, right? Work is not needed, right? You can directly place the plus Q charge at point A. Now I see that plus Q charge is placed at point A. Now we need to bring this minus Q charge at B. So work done to bring minus Q at B, right? So let us denote it as W2. General formula for work done is, what is to be done? We need to bring the minus Q charge over here at point B. So minus Q into potential at this point where we need to place this charge. So that is VB, right? So what is VB? That is potential at B due to the charges around that. So here only one charge is at plus Q at point A. So what will be the potential at B? Potential at B, that is general formula is KQ by R. So that is K due to which charge? Due to the plus Q charge. So plus Q upon distance between the point and this charge, that is D. So it is D. So KQ upon D, right? So we need to place this VB equals to KQ by D over here in this. Let this be equation 2, let this be 3. Substituting this 3 in 2, we get W2 equals to, here minus Q into KQ by D. So it will be minus KQ square upon D. So this is the one that to bring the charge minus Q at corner B. Now we have placed this minus Q charge at B. So two charges are already placed. Now we need to place a point C. So that will be work done to bring, we need to bring plus q charge at C. So work done to bring plus q at C, right? Let us denote that by W3. W3 is equals to, what is the general formula? That is QV. The work is done to bring which charge? We need to bring plus q charge, right? Into the potential. Potential is what? Where we need to place the charge? We need to place that at C. So it should be potential at point C. So that is VC, right? So let us be equation 4. Here it is equation number 5. Right? Here what is the potential at C? Potential at C, due to this minus q charge at B, due to this plus q charge at A, right? So the total potential will be potential at C due to charge at A plus potential at C due to charge at B, right? Now we need to place the general formula. Potential at C due to this plus q charge. So K into plus q upon the distance between A and C. Now see, here the sides of the square is D, right? Here by applying the Pythagoras theorem over here, what will be that? D square plus D square, that is 2D square, and root of that is root 2D. So that is the length of this distance, that is between A and C, right? So potential at C due to A, where we are having plus q charge, K into plus q upon distance between A and C, that is root 2D, plus potential at C due to B, charge on B. So that will be what? K due to minus q charge, so here we need to write minus q upon distance between C and B, that is B. So let us rearrange this. KQ upon root 2D plus minus becomes minus, that KQ upon D, right? We need to take the common KQ by D in bracket 1 upon root 2 minus 1, right? Now placing this potential at C in equation number 5. So put 6 in 5, we get W3 equals to, here we are having plus q and this is VC. So here also we are having q. So we can write K q square by D into 1 upon root 2 minus 1. So we got the work done to bring this plus q charge at C. We have get the charge at C. Now we need to place the last charge, that is minus q, at this corner B. So work done to bring, which charge we need to bring? We need to bring minus q at B. Let us denote that as W4. So W4 equals to, which charge we need to bring? Work is done to bring the minus q charge at B. So it is minus q charge into, where we need to place? We need to place at point D. So potential at point D. Let this be equation number 8. Right? Now see, now we need to find the potential at D. So potential at D, now see, here we are having 3 charges, right? So we need to find the potential at D by summing up the 3 potentials. Potential at D due to the charge at A, potential at D due to the charge at B, potential at D due to the charge at C, right? And summing that, we get the total potential at D. So let us write that. potential at B is equals to potential at B due to the charge at A plus potential at B due to charge at B plus potential at B due to the charge at C. Right? Now, potential at B due to the charge at A. Right? At A, what charge we are having? Plus Q. So it will be KQ upon distance between A and D, that is D. So K plus Q upon D, let us write KQ by D. Right? Now potential at D due to the charge at B. So the charge is minus Q, so it will be K into minus Q upon distance between D and B, that is again root 2D. So K into minus Q upon root 2D, that is minus KQ upon root 2D plus potential at B due to charge at C. So that will be what? K into this plus Q charge upon distance between D and C, which is D. That is plus KQ upon D. Now taking common over here as KQ by D, here we are having 1 minus 1 by root 2, here plus 1. So KQ by D, here 1 plus 1, that becomes 2 minus 1 upon root 2. So this is V. So work has been done to bring the charge minus Q at D. Now let us substitute this potential formula in this equation A. Right? So that will be what? Put 9 in 8. What we get? W4 equals to minus Q into this formula. So that becomes minus KQ square by D. 2 minus 1 upon root 2. Right? So we got this equation of W4. Now see, we got all the work done to place all the charges at the four corners. So the total work done for this arrangement, total work done for this arrangement, that is W equals to W1 plus W2 plus W3 plus W4. Right? Now we just need to write that from this equation. Here W1 is equals to 0 plus W2, here it is minus KQ square by D. Plus minus becomes minus, it is minus KQ square by D. What is W3? KQ square by D into 1 by root 2 minus 1. So that is plus KQ square by D in bracket 1 by root 2 minus 1. Now what is W4? Here we are having minus KQ square by D into bracket D minus 1 by root 2. So plus minus becomes minus. So it will be minus KQ square by D in bracket 2 minus 1 upon root 2. Right? So from these three terms, this is already 0. From these three terms, we can take KQ square by D as common. KQ square by D, that is common. Here we are having minus 1. Here we are having 1 by root 2 minus 1. Here, taking this minus in bracket, so that becomes minus 2 minus minus plus, that is plus 1 by root 2. So it will be minus 2 and plus 1 by root 2. Here minus 1 becomes minus 2. Minus 2 becomes minus 4. So we can write like this: aq square by d in bracket minus 4. Here 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2, that becomes 2 by root 2. Or we can simply write as root 2. So this is the total work done to bring all the charges at the four corners of the side. So students, first you may copy down this, then we will see what is the work done or how much extra work is needed to do this. That means to place the Q0 charge at the center of the square. Now let us see the second part of this numerical. A charge Q0 is brought to the center E of the square. The four charges being held fixed at its corner. That means the charges, these four charges plus Q minus Q plus Q minus Q, all these are set at the corners of the square. Now what we need to do? We need to bring one charge, that is Q0 charge, at this center of the square, which is denoted as point E, right? So work done to bring Q0 at E, right? So what will be the work done? Work done for that, what will be the general formula? Work is to be done to bring which charge? To bring Q0 charge at which point? At point E. So it will be Q0 into VE, that is potential at this point E, right? Now let this be equation number 1. Now let us see what is the potential at E. Here potential at E, that will be what? Here we are having four charges already at the corners of the square. So potential at E due to the charge at A, that is VE8. Potential at E due to charge at B, that is VEB, plus potential at E due to charge at C, VEC, plus potential at E due to charge at B, that is VED. Now let us write the general formula. What is potential at E due to charge at A? That is K into plus Q into plus Q upon distance between E and A. We know that the diagonal has the length root 2D, right? So what will be the half distance of this? That will be root 2D by 2, or we can write it as D by root 2. That is D upon root 2, right? Plus potential at E due to charge at B. So that will be what general formula is KQ. Which charges are at B? That is minus Q upon distance between B and E, that is again D by root 2, right? Plus potential at E due to charge at C. So what will be the formula? K into, at C what we are having, charge plus Q, so K into plus Q upon distance between E and by root 2. Over here, potential at E due to D. That means K into charge at D, that is minus Q. So it will be minus Q upon distance between E and D, that is D by root 2. Right? So rearranging that, here we are having KQ upon D by root 2. Later taking this minus in front, plus minus minus, KQ upon D by root 2. Over here, plus KQ upon D by root 2. Taking minus sign over here, that will be KQ upon D by root 2. So here plus minus gets cancelled, here plus minus gets cancelled. The answer will be 0. So potential at E is equals to 0. Right? Now substituting that over here in equation 1. What it is? Work done is equals to Q0 into VE, that is potential at E. And here VE is equals to 0. So Q0 into 0, that will be 0. So work done to place the charge Q0 at the center of the square, where already the 4 charges are held fixed at the corners. So that will be 0. So no work is done to bring the charge at the center of the square. So student, you may note down this remark.